Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to post a job inside Indeed. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up the Indeed app on your mobile device. And then once logged in, make sure you are signed in. So to do that is to click on the right corner of your screen. There's 3 horizontal bars. Click onto that. And then you want to click onto profile. And now from here, make sure you are logged in. And once you've done that, head back to the home screen of Indeed by clicking the home button. And then what you want to do is scroll the way down and click on employers. And employers will be at the bottom of your home screen here of Indeed. So go ahead and click onto employers. And then from there, you want to click on post a job. And now what this will do will allow you to post all your details for the job. To do that, click on post a job. And then scroll down a bit and you'll say hiring an employee. And then from there, click on post a job under that. Now the next step is to create an employer account. So if you haven't posted a job before, you'll need to create an employer account to do so. So what you need to do is fill out your company's name, number of employees, your first and last name. Just fill out this form here, which I'll do for this demonstration. All right, I've filled out this section here. Now you want to click on continue. And then fill out this page as well, all job basics. So company industry, company description, job title, number of people to hire for this job, etc, etc. So go ahead and fill this out. All right, now I've done that, so I'm going to click on continue. And then add job details, so if it's full-time, part-time, or permanent, fixed term, so click on the one you need. Expected hours, fixed hours at. So I want to do 38, 8-hour shifts. There's a planned start date for this job, yes or no. So I'm going to say yes. I'm going to say for next week for demonstration. So the 23rd, and I'm going to click continue. You can add in your pay and benefits on this page here. So go ahead and do that and then click on next. So I'm going to continue here. Job description. So fill out the job description in this box and then click on continue. All right, you need a job description with a minimum of 30 characters. So please take note of that. All right, here you can set your preferences. So send daily updates to your email address. You can add another email if you like. Let potential candidates contact you about this job by email only or by phone or by both. Yeah, so just fill this page out. If you need a pre-screen applicants, you can do so. And click continue. And now on this page here, you can review all the information you've given to Indeed and just double check everything is correct. And once that is done, click on continue and that will post your job to Indeed. And then after that is done, applicants will get back to you by email or phone and you can filter out the applicants and see which one you want to hire. And that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you thought it was helpful.